Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best koozie that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Iron Degree FLASK Coozie. The Iron Degree FLASK Coozie is the perfect addition for all your outdoor adventures, parties, and cozy evenings at home. Designed with a spacious interior, it accommodates 12-ounce cans of all your favorite beverages, including soda cans, sparkling water, beers, and more. This koozie features a slip-lock protection mechanism that keeps your drink secure and prevents any accidental spills and messes. The double-walled construction not only keeps your drinks cold but also eliminates condensation. That means no more wet hands or rings on your furniture. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this koozie is 100% BPA-free and non-toxic, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks without worrying about harmful chemicals. Plus, it's available in a range of designs and color contrasts, so you can easily choose one according to your personal style. Because of its exceptional quality, style, and functionality, this koozie rightfully deserves the best overall spot on our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the CSBD Coozie. Whether you're sipping on a hot coffee or enjoying a cold soda, the CSBD Coozie helps retain your drink's temperature for an extended period. This koozie features a high-quality, thick 4mm polyurethane foam, providing excellent insulation for your drinks. The durable material ensures that your koozie will maintain its shape and effectiveness for a long time. This koozie also prevents condensation from forming on the outside of your drink container, so you won't have to deal with wet hands when enjoying your drink. Featuring an adjustable design, this koozie can accommodate a wide range of container sizes and shapes, ensuring a snug fit for your beverage of choice. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport. Simply fold it up and tuck it away in your bag or pocket and it's ready to use whenever you need it. Plus, you can easily customize it with a heat press, vinyl transfer, and silk screen printing to add a touch of personalization to your koozie. At number 3, we have the FLASK Coozie. If you're tired of having your drinks go warm too quickly, then say hello to the FLASK Coozie. With its 16 fluid ounce volume, this koozie can accommodate cans, bottles, and water bottles alike, ensuring your beverages stay refreshingly cold for longer periods of time. It also provides a comfortable grip while you're drinking, so there's no need to worry about dropping your drink or spilling it on yourself. With its collapsible design, this koozie is also very portable, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor activity. From camping and beach trips to pool parties and sports games, it's the perfect accessory for any occasion. Plus, it's available in vibrant hues that add a pop of color and style to your drink, making it easily identifiable in a crowd. No more mix-ups or lost drinks at gatherings. At number 2, we have the QualityPerfection Coozie. Made with 4mm thick scuba knit polyester, the QualityPerfection Coozie ensures your drink stays cold and refreshing for longer. With this option, you won't have to deal with warm beverages when it's hot outside or frozen fingers when it's cold. This koozie easily accommodates 12-ounce bottles, making it perfect for most sodas, beers, and more. The koozie comes in a pack of 12, so you can use them while throwing a party, hosting a barbecue, or enjoying a picnic. It's also available in a range of colors to add an interesting flair to your drinking experience. Plus, you can easily customize it to showcase your personality or brand. And finally at number 1, we have the Tahoe Bay Coozie. The Tahoe Bay Coozie is perfect for outdoor events, picnics, parties, or just enjoying a cold drink on a hot day. It features a premium scuba knit polyester fabric, which offers excellent insulation to keep your drinks cold for longer periods of time. The combination of these materials provides superior protection against condensation, preventing your hands from getting wet and your beverages from getting warm. This koozie can fit most standard-sized 12-ounce cans, making it perfect for enjoying your favorite soda, beer, or any other canned beverage. Additionally, the Coozie's flexible design allows it to fit snugly around the bottom of 16-ounce cans and similar-sized bottles, offering versatility and convenience. One of the most exciting features of the Tahoe Bay Coozie is its customizable design. You can easily personalize it using various methods, such as heat transfer vinyl, infusible ink, sublimation, screen printing, and fabric markers. This means you can create unique, eye-catching designs that showcase your personality and style.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.